Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video, and today I'm reviewing another screen protector for the P20 Pro from Huawei. This is the best screen protector hands down for the Huawei P20 Pro, so stay tuned and watch this entire video. It costs $7.99. I will leave links in the description below where you can buy it. It makes it easier for you guys to find it. Saves you money because at the moment it's down from $16.99 to $7.99. It also helps me grow the channel. And I'm going to say this is a full adhesive screen protector, meaning there's no dot matrix. It's not one of the ones where it's just got the glue around the border. Full adhesive, which I love. Let me just show you the packaging that it comes in. It's by a company I've never heard of called Adhesive tempered glass screen protector. It says here scratch resistance, anti-fingerprint, explosion proof, easy to install, 9H hardness, HD screen. I'll show you what comes in the actual packaging. Bear with me, I'll move it to the side and show you. You get two of these microfiber cloths. You get 2 sheets of dust removal stickers, 2 of these glass screen protectors, no border, full adhesive as you can see. The instruction booklet, which I'll leave here because I can show you that in a minute, and your usual wet and dry wipes here. Okay. Oh, and you get these 2 of these little vials. I'll bring them to focus. These come with a liquid in them. You cut the top off when you want to use it. You get 2 of these, 1 for each screen protector. Okay, very unusual method of installation. Basically what you do is you peel the back off like a normal screen protector. That's a silicone adhesive on the back, the usual thing. You line it up, stick it down, press the middle and it spreads, and job done. But because it is edge to edge, when you do that, you get this horrible halo effect all around the screen protector. That's where that little vials of glue come in. So let me just show you this instruction booklet. So they tell you here in the instructions, after you finish installing the tempered glass, use the blah blah blah. So then cut the top of that little pipette off and gently squeeze out the liquid to fill the white gap or the halo from the top to bottom around the screen protector, waiting for the liquid to slowly infiltrate and finish repairing the white gap. Then carefully clean the screen edge with a dry cloth. Now they say once you've done that, wait for 10 to 30 minutes for it to dry and it's good to go. And my god, it's a good screen protector. Now it is edge to edge. Try and bring that to focus. It's like I said, it's a 9H tempered glass. Look at the notch cut out there, perfectly done. And let me try and bring the fingerprint sensor cut out. Look how perfect that is. There's no halo. Sorry guys, trying to go out of focus because the light's shining. But you can see it's edged right to the edge with this case. Now this case is from VRS. I'll leave links in the description below for this case as well. I'm reviewing it straight after this video because I know a lot of you are going to ask me, what case is that? It's a VRS case. Okay, I'll leave links for this as I said down below. Now this has got, like the Spigen rugged armor, quite a big lip on it. Okay, lay on the table as you can see. And this screen protector works perfect with it. There's no gap between the screen protector and the case. There's no halo. It's all glass. It's nice, smooth. A lot better than the horrible screen protector that comes pre-applied. It doesn't interfere with the fingerprint sensor. I'll do that again. No issue at all. Touch sensitivity. No issue with that either, as you can see. No issue with that. And clarity is spot on. absolutely beautiful. Clarity is like, you don't even know you've got a screen protector on it. Let me show you let me take the corner of the case off real quick, so I can show you if I can show you the edge of the screen protector here. It's very thin, you can barely feel it's on there. Like I said, it's a very strange installation, but it works perfectly, absolutely perfectly. So do I recommend this? Definitely I recommend this screen protector. It works perfect, clarity is great. There's nothing negative to say about this screen protector at all. So I highly recommend it to anyone out there who's looking for a screen protector for their P20 Pro. As I said, I'll leave links in the description below for the screen protector and this case. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this screen protector, and is there any that you'd recommend? As I said, this is perfection. I can't see anything beating this, if I'm honest. No halo, edge to edge, very case compatible. It works with all of the, let me just show you real quick, the official cases from Huawei. It also works with the Spigen rugged armor, and it also works with this case from VRS. So there you have it, guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video on all your social media, because it helps me out, helps the channel grow. And as always, if you haven't seen any of my other videos about the P20 Pro, watch them now, because I've done a lot of cases, reviews, camera comparisons, and so on. Until next time, stay safe. Stay the same. Peace.